Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Got sent to a job, which my guys did, and they had a puzzlement as to why a breaker that looked like it was good and it had very tight connections on the screws for the dryer plug itself. It's just for a dryer. It's a 220. It was only getting one leg, one 110 instead of two 110s. So we decided to replace that breaker, which is a double pole 30. And when they pulled the breaker out, they found, not on the side where you would normally see looseness and then arcing, but where it connected to the panel itself. It pretty much...
That piece was still on the breaker box.
Yeah, it's stuck onto the metal that it goes to.
Yes, it had to be, you had to get pliers to pull it off.
So what I'm leading up to is you might pull the breaker out to see if you have that issue. It's rare, but you might pull the breaker out to see. Okay, see ya. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.